Yeah, hi, in today's video we are going to be looking at how to use Pinterest for website traffic. And that's Arthur, just saying hello. There you go. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Pinterest. Now, I'm not currently using it. I did use it sort of about a year or so ago, and with great effect. But I'm just obviously building my YouTube channel at the moment, so I've come away from it just for a moment. But I am still posting to it on a regular basis, so you'll still got figures in here which we can use. But I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic to your website, to your affiliate offers, etc., from Pinterest. Okay, so we've come on to my main account here, and as you can see, we've got a link. I've got a link to my website here. So that is basically what I would definitely get you to do. So the first thing you want to do is when you create an account, or if you've got an account already, is change it to a business account. There's a couple of reasons why. One, obviously you can put a link in there. You can get a website link in there, which is clickable. And two, you get all the analytics, which will help you decipher which pins are working better, and etc., etc. So how do you go and get this website in here? Once you've got a business account, you need to go to your edit your profile, and you can see here we go down to claim. So we click on claim. You can also claim things like your Instagram, Etsy, and YouTube. So I've obviously claimed my Instagram and YouTube. Don't have an Etsy, so but you can do that as well. And you just click here, and obviously my one is already in there, but you can go and click the website. So you just click on claim, and then it shows you what to do here. You can either add an HTML tag to your website or upload an HTML file into the root directory, or add a TXT record. If you're not sure quite how to do this, get your web developer to do it for you. It's pretty simple. The easiest way probably to do it is to add a HTML file to your cPanel, which is what I did when I added mine. And then you just click verify, and it will just go and hunt for the file, and if it finds it, then obviously you're good to go. Once that's set up, you can then get clicks directly from your profile. So when people visit your profile, they'll click on your website link, and that will drive traffic back to your website. Okay, so you also, the other big place where you want to be using links is actually in your pins. So you've got a pin here. This would normally be done when you add it to Pinterest, but if you forget, then you can obviously just come in and click on edit, and if you scroll down, it then actually gives you a website. So and then you can add in a link. Now this could be a link to a blog post like this one is, or it could even be an affiliate link. Now Pinterest at the moment currently are allowing affiliate links. They went to a stage where they allowed them, then they didn't allow them, and now they're back allowing them as far as I know. If you know any different, then obviously let us know in the comments below. But yeah, just add in a website link here, and then when people will go and click on your image, it will take them directly off of Pinterest onto your page where you want them to visit. And like I say, this could be an opt-in page, could be a blog post, could be a website, could even be a direct affiliate link to an offer. So that's two great ways of actually adding your links to Pinterest directly. So you're going to get clicks and then traffic away from it. But you've also got to make sure you've got plenty of good images coming through. So the way you want to obviously make sure you're going to get noticed is obviously use keywords in your pin titles. So this one, what is CPA marketing? Obviously CPA marketing is what I'm looking for. Also use hashtags. So I've obviously got various different hashtags there, because people could search using the hashtags as well. Also make sure obviously all your boards I've got really good images on their board covers as well, which will and tells them exactly what it's about. So again, the board covers will have descriptions and titles, so make sure they are obviously keyworded as well. And you can easily look at what people are searching by clicking on the search button, and then for argument's sake, if you said affiliate marketing, and as you can see, I'll just put affiliate in there. It's got affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing on Pinterest, affiliate marketing program. So all of these could be boards that you could use, and which would be then targeted and you could put pins to those separate boards. Another way, obviously, of getting noticed is to join other groups in Pinterest and other boards. So you can actually get group boards. So join those, and then you can obviously pin to those boards. As you can see here, I'd joined quite a few different boards, and that denotes a board is having the little men, the group of people beside it. So basically, you can just then go and save this pin to that community. And then there's more chance of it, one, being shared, and two, obviously, people clicking on it. Now, a great tool that I used when I was using Pinterest all the time, and it's definitely worth having a look at, is Tailwind. Tailwind basically will allow you to post to groups automatically, so it saves your time doing that. And also they do Tailwind tribes, which are very, very similar, that you go and share other people's content and then they will share yours. And as you can see, just this board here, which I haven't been on for ages, I've obviously had 4 repins, 30 reshares, and I've actually had a reach of 277,000 people. So you can see how powerful it is, guys. So certainly check out Tailwind as well. And what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description below here, which actually gives you your first month absolutely free. So go and check it out for 30 days and you can actually go and use that as well. So if you're using Pinterest, then that is the tool I would certainly recommend to use. Okay, so that's giving you a very quick insight into Pinterest. Obviously, make sure you claim your website, put your links in your pins, and then it's all about keywording and getting stuff out there and getting it in front of people, so then you obviously get more clicks across to your website. Okay, I trust you found that interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the old like button. Remember, obviously, check out our other videos here. And if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that old notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, that's it for today. We will see you on the next video.